What is it really like to make your first $1 million online? I'm going to break it down for you in this video. Not what you think. I'm the infamous Joel, and your boss hates me because I show you how to live a life of freedom, passion, and fulfillment. And if you're infamous too, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Now let's go. The first thing I want to break down for you about making $1 million online is that you've been lied to a lot about this phenomenon, this whole making a lot of money online and all that stuff, this whole big dream. Number one is it is work. No matter what any guru out there tells you that it was so easy to make all this money. I was a pizza delivery boy last week and all of a sudden, boom, I made so much money. It is work. Understand right up front that it is gonna be work. And if you've never had your own business, let alone an online business, understand up front that most of the time you're gonna be wearing a lot of hats. You're gonna learn how to be a marketer, you're gonna wear that hat. You're gonna learn sales sometimes, you're gonna wear that hat. You're gonna learn so many different things, video and editing, and it all depends what kind of business you start, right? But you're gonna be wearing different hats. And that's what makes it so difficult for a lot of people, is that they're sold the big dream and they're sold like the big, oh, make a whole bunch of money online and all that stuff. And they kind of don't see the forest for the trees. I understand the big guru and all that stuff. Their job is to sell you a big program and all that good stuff. So to some extent, they have to sensationalize it and make it sound incredible. And that's great. That's marketing. We all know what that is. But let's look under the hood. Let's look for real, what's really going on. And it is that it is work. It's going to work. You're going to make money. But know that up front, it's not going to be some overnight success, some fancy schmancy push a button and you make $1 billion. There's no such thing. No such thing exists. I've never found it, and I've looked for years. I've never found this amazing push button system that makes you a ton of money. I just never found it. Now, there are things that make things easier, things that make things harder. That's different. I understand that. But I've never found some one size fits all system that's just going to work. And that leads me into my second point, is that not every business is built for you. What do I mean by that? What a lot of gurus don't tell you is that every human being that I've ever come across, that you've ever come across, you, me, everybody, has different personality types, right? We can't ignore this thing. What that means when it comes to having an online business is that each business is different for each individual. What do I mean? One more time. What do I mean by that? It's like if you're into drop shipping, let's say, for example, I don't know if you know what drop shipping is, doesn't matter. In drop shipping, you're going to build a store. You're going to design that store. You're going to pick the right products. You're going to run ads to that store. You're going to be all kinds of different systems and moving parts and all this crazy stuff. That's going to be more for what I call the builder personality. That kind of person loves messing around with systems, loves messing around with moving parts. They're kind of like an engineering background, mathematical background, tech background. That kind of person, that kind of a business is going to fit best for them. So you might be watching a lot of these videos here on YouTube and they're telling you drop shipping this, drop shipping that, It doesn't matter who you are. They're just trying to do a one size fits all. It's for everybody. It makes so much money. Not true. Not for everybody, because it depends on your personality and what you're comfortable with. They won't tell you that part. Some of us love to guide other people and love to coach other people and love to help other people. This is the kind of person that I call the helper. For that kind of person, probably like a course creation business or like a coaching business where you're guiding people through a specific process, you're helping people achieve some kind of result. This is for like the fitness coach, the make money coach, whatever. People like me, people like us, we love to help other people achieve a specific outcome. So someone like that, kind of like a coaching business or a course business, is probably a better fit for them because they really enjoy helping people. And then last but not least, we have somebody who's just completely hands off and just likes to, I call them the creator. They don't like running really any kind of business. They like to just create content and just put creative stuff out there. They might like making YouTube videos. They might like making, Facebook Lives and TikTok Reel, whatever the hell, a bunch of stuff, right? They just like to post stuff online and be creative and have fun. You don't really want to build something that has some big back end, like managing a course or, coaching people or building a big store and having systems. You don't really want to do those things. Instead, you just feel like a creative spirit. You feel like somebody that loves to make content to share with other people, but you don't really want to do all this other stuff. So I always tell clients, look, there is a million ways to make $1 million. That is a fact. There's a lot of, if you go online and you're on YouTube right now watching this, you can get off this video right now and you can keep searching how to make money online. You're going to find billions of videos. Sorry, I almost burped there. You're going to find a lot of stuff, okay? You're going to find an enormous amount of information. The problem is none of those pieces of information, none of those videos tell you what's good for you, what makes sense for you. Okay? None of these videos know you. I don't know you, right? So let's say, for example, the affiliate franchise is all about running an affiliate marketing business where you don't show your face online. You pretty much do ads like 95% of the time, and maybe a little bit of content creation as far as making the ads and like, creating all the text and everything on the ads and like creating something to share with people. So you can see that that's a little bit of the creator spirit where you're making something unique, but also that you're a builder and you like to create systems and things like that. We're not so much, the affiliate franchise at least, the system that we run is not so much for somebody that likes to be out front and like coaching people and helping people one-on-one and dancing all over TikTok and all that stuff. So it's just a different type of business that's aside from the mold of what everybody always talks about with affiliate marketing. We prefer just running an affiliate marketing business with just straight up ads. I'm pretty much the only one here that shows their face because I like doing it, but everyone else just runs a system. It's kind of like a builder's system. So if you're somebody like that who's kind of like engineering background and somebody who likes to think math, not emotions, and likes to look at numbers and pivot and do different things and tweak things as you go along, then you tinker. You're a tinkerer, right? Then the affiliate franchise is the kind of business you would like to run, because then you can just build a business where you're running traffic to somebody else's offer and you're just making sure the numbers look right, and you just leave it alone. You can get this kind of passive income stream. So a lot of people won't tell you that. It's probably not for the coach, not for the person that likes to like be front and center and be out there and all that good stuff. And that's okay. There's a lot of coaches, a lot of programs, a lot of gurus who will show you how to do that. The affiliate franchise is not for that. And mind you, if you like to create content and like to do all this other stuff, we do have another program that's more of a do-it-yourself, where you're going to be creating content and doing the typical affiliate marketing thing, making YouTube videos like this and just kind of putting yourself out there. Then that's more the infamous mob. That's that program where it's kind of a community-based program and everyone in there is awesome and just helps each other grow online. So it takes longer, okay, because it's do it yourself, but done for you, and we build a system and we help you run it, and it's just a bunch of ads and just numbers. That's the affiliate franchise. It's a little harder. It does take time just because it's ads. Sometimes people think ads are so fast that you make money like tomorrow. We've had some crazy success stories where people make their return back in the first week or so. That's the exception to the rule. That's not going to be everybody. I don't want to overpromise. I want to over-deliver. I don't want to overpromise. So instead, yeah, it takes a few weeks and stuff to dial in some really profitable ads, but once you do, you just start scaling up from there. It's freaking awesome. All right. So that being said, that's the journey that I want to talk about when it comes to making $1 million online. It's my own personal story, but it's also your story. I want to make sure that you understand that as you're looking around for the perfect business model and the best way, quote unquote, to make money online, there's no such thing. There's only the best way for you. So you kind of have to have a come to Jesus moment, do some journaling, take some notes, and really discover things about yourself. Like, what do I like? Because I can promise you this, I've built 2 six-figure businesses before I finally broke through and made 7 figures. And I tried different models in this space, and I tried different things for a little while. And I can tell you, I can promise you one simple fact, that if you build a business by default instead of by design, your business is going to end up being your prison. And I hate to scare people like that, but it's very important to think, what kind of business do I want to have that's going to create the lifestyle that I ultimately want? A lot of people say, freedom and all that good stuff and passive income. Great. Then if the course creator is telling you that you're going to have passive income, create courses. That's all you have to do. No, because then you have to promote the courses, you have to create ads, and it's a big headache, okay? Affiliate marketing with the affiliate franchise where you're just running ads and you're sending traffic somewhere else. It's true passive income. It's truly for builders. It's truly for somebody that just likes to tinker and stuff like that. Not everything's the best fit for everybody. So make sure that you understand that moving forward in your search for some perfect online business. There's no perfect. There's only perfect for you. So really do that tonight as you journal, as you sit down, you think about it. It's what's good for me. What do I ultimately want my life to look like in the next year, 2 years, 3 years? Is it going to be freedom, or is it going to be I'm trapped with a whole bunch of work on my plate? I'm the infamous Joel, and I'm out.